This world is very costly, and to live a comfortable life, one has to create a passive income. I am Akhil Mahajan. I am here to help you in creating your passive income. Let's explore the ways to create a passive income through this website. This website is broken into three parts: skill enhancement, goal based investing, protection, health insurance. If we talk about skill enhancement, we are offering many courses in different domains like investing in stock markets or in mutual funds, then website designing, digital marketing, marketing research, business branding, sales psychology, Google Analytics, YouTube marketing, and many other courses that will help you in creating your passive income. Then second part, which we are covering through this website, is goal-based investing. What we believe that if we do a right financial planning and we invest as per our specific financial planning goals, then we are able to achieve that goals with the help of our investment. This will help you not only in creating your wealth, but also achieving your financial planning goals in the best possible manner. I give you an example. Suppose in next 30 years, you are going to retire and you need 2 crore rupees to live a same standard of living. That means you have to start your planning from day one. By using certain systematic investment plans, we can help you in building your corpus, and you will be surprised that with minimum amounts you can achieve that financial planning goal. Same goes with your child education, child planning, or any other specific goal which you have certain time period to achieve. Don't worry, we have an articles for you that will help you in creating your financial planning goals. And in case you want to reach us, you can reach us. Go to contact us page, you will find our information. Our third section is protection health. What we believe that one should have an adequate life and health insurance, then it is very difficult to achieve other financial planning goals since the cost of medical bills are very high. There's a research in India that 66 lakh families got into poverty just because they don't have health insurance. And same thing happen around the world. So health insurance is very important. Same is the case with the term insurance. Term insurance is very important for the loved ones, and think how they will live if they don't have sufficient money. So term insurance is equally important as health insurance. So we help in creating adequate life and health insurance. We have an articles for you that will help you in deciding the right amount. So we welcome you to this website. Let's explore this beautiful world together and create a passive income for future.